Hello everyone, so I am back with another exciting video where I'll show you how you can find what motherboard you have installed in your computer or on your laptop. So if this is the information that you are looking for, then this is the video where you'll exactly know how you can find that.
Now, as always, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and then smashing that like button before you actually dwell into this video. Now, without much ado, let's jump into this. This is Sonit from Techie Trickle.
So for the first method, what I'll show you is by command prompt. So on the search that you have here, so on the search bar, you have to type here CMD and then your command prompt app actually shows up. So click that so that it opens up. So now you are on the C prompt, and on C prompt, you have to type in a command. Now I'll give that command in the description down below so that you don't have to remember what that command is. So I just write this command here, that is WMIC, then space, then baseboard, then space, get, and then you have another space, then you give product, comma, and then you have the manufacturer. And after that, where you see the cursor blinking, you have to press enter. And once you do that, the information that you can see here is it's giving here as manufacturer, that is as ASUS, and then the product is giving me a product name. So this is how you can find out from the command prompt very easily what your motherboard is. So this product that you see here is actually your motherboard. So in the second method that I'll show you is through the Windows. Now for that, what you have to do is, again on the Windows, you have to type here in the search system information, and then that app actually shows up here. So click that and then you will find the system summary here. Now from the system summary, you can look for the system model. So it says here system model, and you have that same motherboard number here. And again, if you go a little bit below, you would find also the baseboard product also given here as the name here. And if you want to know the manufacturer, you can also go ahead and check that this is the manufacturer as ASUS. So these are the two ways in which you can actually quickly go ahead and find what is the motherboard that's installed on your computer. Now please share this video with all your friends and families who you think might benefit in having this quick information of finding out the motherboard, and let me know in the comments down below if this information was really helpful for you. Now there are lots of videos that are there on my channel, so please browse through all the videos that are popping up right now on your screen, because you will find lots of different information that might be vital for you as well. So till the next time, bye bye.